In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic restart in a Windows operating system, what makes a computer restart, and how to fix this problem. A computer suddenly restarting while you're doing some important work is probably one of the most unpleasant things to face. There are many things to cause it, ranging from incorrect configuration to hardware issues. If it happens while your computer is still booting, it can be a hardware conflict. Functionality issues can cause regular restarts when booting your computer, especially if some new equipment has been installed recently. If the hardware elements are incompatible or faulty, the operating system reacts immediately by restarting, and it's hoping to fix this problem automatically. If that is your case, check your hardware. Power failures can also cause sudden restarts. They can happen because of the power supply unit no longer able to work properly, so it should be checked too. Overheating is one more thing to make your computer restart out of the blue. It can happen because of a faulty cooler, dust-covered radiators, or dried-up thermal paste between the processor and the radiator. You can check your computer for overheating with AIDA64, and there is a tutorial on this topic in our channel. There can also be problems because of a faulty system memory module. If you have several modules installed, check them by removing one of them at a time and see how your computer works, or try inserting the module into another slot. A damaged hard disk, motherboard, graphics card, or other components can also cause cyclic restarts. Another possible cause is malware. If problems started after installation of a certain program, try checking your computer for viruses. Watch one of our videos about removing viruses, and you will find the link in the description as usual. In Windows 10, seeing your computer restart sometimes means it's an automatic restart for installation of updates. It can happen both while you're working with the computer and it restarts to install an update, and while you're away from the computer for a while. So let's find out how to disable such restarts and what your options are. The first method doesn't disable restarts but allows you to decide when they take place. To do it, go to Settings, Update and Security. In Windows Update section, you can set up update and restart options. You can change active hours here by setting the period of time when your computer should not restart. Such period cannot be longer than 12 hours. Restart options. This setting is only active when updates have been downloaded and a restart is scheduled. With this option, you can change the scheduled time of automatic restart for installation of updates. The second method allows you to disable Windows Automatic Restart completely. You can do it with Local Group Policy Editor. To use it, open the Run window by pressing Windows + R key shortcut and enter gpedit.msc. Then follow the path: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, and open the line No Auto Restart with logged on users for scheduled automatic update installations. Set the value for Enabled and apply changes. And set the value Disabled for the line Always automatically restart at the scheduled time. As a result, Windows 10 won't restart if there are any users who signed in. If your operating system doesn't have the Local Group Policy Editor, you can do it with the Registry Editor as well. To start it, type regedit in the Run window and follow the path. HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, Windows Update, AU. If there are no such folders, create them by right-clicking on the necessary key and select New Key. In this key, create a dword value and name it as No Auto Reboot with Logged On Users, and then set its value data as 1. Changes should take place without rebooting, but it's better to restart the computer anyway. One more way to disable Windows 10 restarts after update installation is by using the task scheduler. To do it, type Ctrl Shed Tasks in the Run window. In the window that opens, go to Task Scheduler Library, Microsoft, Windows, Update Orchestrator, right-click on Reboot and select Disable. After that, the computer will never start to install an update. Instead, updates will only be installed when you restart it manually. At the moment, these are all methods I have available to disable automatic restart when Windows 10 updates, but I think they will be enough if the system restarts really annoy you. Since Windows 10 was updated to version 1709, such restarts have become more frequent. Watch another video on our channel on how to view your system information, and I will give the link in the description as usual. If you're using this version, try disabling the Fast Startup function. To do it, go to Settings, System, Power and Sleep, Additional Power Settings. Then open Choose what the power buttons do. First, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable to make the boxes active, and then check off the box next to Turn on Fast Startup. Save changes and restart the computer. You can also encounter such problems with computers based on AMD or Xeon processors, and if you own one, try using this method or updating or rolling back your operating system.